Hello, so now I'm going to show you how to make angle drillings. So here I have one plank and two operator planks, and I would like to make drillings into the target plank using these. So first I open ArchiFrame and go to the machining list and then go to the groove tool. So I pick the target and then I go to the groove type, and here we have added quite recently a new drilling type. So I select that one and then I select the two operators and press do new. And now if we click on the target, you can see that two drillings are made here, and the drilling diameter is determined by the operator size. So here it will use the width because that's the smallest dimension, because we want to keep the drilling inside the operator planks. And yeah, for this one it has the same width and height, so the drilling is well, matches the operator exactly. Yeah, that was it. Thank you.